Hello students, welcome to Cbse classes. So in today's video, we'll solve UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are solving paper number 3. So in paper number 3, first we'll start with question number 49. So in question number 49, it is given the offer curves of the trading countries have constant slope in terms, and the terms of trade among them will be 4 options are given. So when offer curves of the trading countries have constant slope, the terms of trade among them will be what? So the terms of trade will be indeterminate. So when the offer curves has nothing to do with terms of trade, so offer curves if constant slope, the terms of trade will be indeterminate. So for question number 49, we know the right answer is option D. So for question number 49, the right option is option D. Now we'll come to question number 50. So in question number 50, it is given, that is, in the context of Indian economy, which of the following options correctly describe the composition of foreign exchange resources? So in the context of Indian economy, which of the following options correctly describes the composition of foreign exchange resources? So 4 options are given: foreign currency plus loans from the World Bank, SDRs, gold holdings of RBI. Now foreign currency assets plus gold holding of RBI plus FDI. Now SDRs plus gold holdings of RBI plus foreign currency assets and remittances of NRIs plus export earnings in a year plus loans from the IMF. So we have 4 options, so out of which we have to look for the right option. So for question number 50, we know the right answer would be SDRs plus gold holdings of the RBI, foreign currency assets. So for question number 50, the right answer would be 3. Now why it would be like this? For we need to know that generally the foreign exchange reserve comprises of 3 items. Generally the foreign exchange resources consist of 3 items. One is SDRs, another is gold holdings of the RBI, and finally it is foreign currency assets. So for this, for question number 50, we know the right answer would be option 3. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 51. So in question number 51, it is given, which among the following are true for excess demand function for an individual? So which among the following are true for excess demand function for an individual? Homogeneous degree 0 in all prices, they obey Walras law, both 1 and 2 are true, and neither 1 and 2 are true. So we know excess demand functions satisfy the following properties. So basically excess demand function satisfy following properties. The first one is given by, it is homogeneous of degree 0. It is homogeneous of degree 0. So it is homogeneous of degree 0. So the which among the following true for excess demand function for an individual? That is, it is homogeneous of degree 0. Then the next thing is what? That is this, they obey Walras law. So the next thing is it satisfies Walras says law. So it satisfies Walras's law. And the third option would be, it is continuous, and it is continuous. So 1, 2 and 3. So aggregate excess demand function of an individual, is homogeneous of degree 0 in all prices. This is right, and this is also right. For this reason, we know for question number 51, the right answer would be option C, that is both 1 and 2, both of them are correct. So now we'll have a quick review of what we have done. So now we'll simply go to question number 48. So in question number 48, 9 we have found that in question number 49 the right answer was option D. So in question number 49 the right answer was option D. Now in question number 50 we have found the right answer to be C, and finally in question number 51 the right answer is option 3. So in today's video we solved 3 questions. In the subsequent videos we will go to the other questions of this paper. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.saurabhsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number or go to that link. So have a nice day ahead.